Welcome to the channel. Are we very close to reaching 1,000 subscribers? I count on your subscription and your like. Real Madrid are building a super team that could dominate European football in the coming years. How Los Blancos could line up next season if they sign Kylian Mbappe and Alphonso Davies. Mbappe looks certain to finally sign for Real Madrid in the summer transfer window. They already have several participants before another investment. Real Madrid could be about to form what is called a super team to continue competing for important titles. Los Blancos are already arguably the most successful team in the world, winning the Champions League 14 times and La Liga 35 times, the most of any team in both competitions. But they are entering a new era, with Carlo Ancelotti expected to step down as manager soon and a host of stars who have been so vital to their success in recent years reaching the end of their careers. While the investment has not all come in one transfer window, it is possible that this summer will be the final piece of the jigsaw, with Kylian Mbappe almost certain to join from PSG and Alphonso Davies also heavily linked. Mail Sport has looked at how Real Madrid could line up next season if the pair arrive. In goal, Thibaut Courtois will likely maintain his position once he returns from his ACL injury. Neither Andre Lunin nor Kepa Arrizabalaga impressed as substitutes, and the club are likely to be unable to wait for their number one to return to action. His place is safe. The defense could look a little different if Davies arrives from Bayern Munich. Davies will only have 1 year left on his contract and will keep his average age low, with his costs being covered by the departure of Fran Garcia or Ferland Mendy. While David Alaba and Eder Militao, who are both out of action with ACL injuries, are almost certainly the starting center-back pairing, there is a gap to fill at right-back. The spot will likely be filled by Dani Carvajal, but the 33-year-old will need to be replaced soon and will be one of the last remaining players from the old guard. The midfield should be a familiar trio of Aurelien Tchouameni, Federico Valverde, and Jude Bellingham, 3 players already signed for the new era. Brazilian duo Rodrigo and Vinicius Jr. are also and will probably be first choice, and it is no secret that Real Madrid have been looking for a new striker for some time to take them back to the top of the European football pyramid. Step forward, Mbappe. And that just leaves the manager. Ancelotti recently signed a new deal to take him until 2026, although that is likely to be the end of the road. Xabi Alonso is one of the most sought-after young coaches in world football and could join Liverpool in the summer. Or he could wait for the job in Madrid. The idea of a super team fully assembled and dominating Europe in the coming years is intriguing. It will be a busy summer for Madrid.